Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you the important Windows update for Windows 11, which recently released. The important features of Windows 11, which you should definitely know, which is the very helpful features for you if you are working on the Windows 11. So the first feature is automatic updates. So you can see now, to see this feature, you have to go into the setting and then you can see Windows Update. Here you can see this is the latest feature of Windows 11 where after updating uh, to the latest you will see this feature. If you turn on this feature, so your Windows will automatically get updated as soon as they are available. So to turn after turning on, so once the any update is available, so that will automatically apply to your Windows 11. So here you can see in the update history, these are the some of the updates which I recently update in my Windows that you can see like cumulative update and the Windows 11 version. This is the latest Windows 11 version. And to see the latest version with the help of CMD, you can also type like this. Press just press Window R and then Win where you have to type this to check the Windows latest version. So you can see like this. The latest version is 22H2 and the OS build release. So here you can see. And also there was the latest security updates were as well, which I recently. So in the update history, you can check the updates. So this is a very helpful updates. You no need to remember and you this will reduce your manually work to update. So this is a very helpful feature. The next one is if you remember the previously the Windows provide the second along with this time. So here you can see this is only showing like uh, hours and the minute. If you want to see the seconds as well, so you just need to go into the system and then personalize. You have to just go to the taskbar and then taskbar behavior. Here you can see that show second in the system tray clock. If you enable this feature, so you can see that this watch will now show seconds as well. So this is also the very helpful and the important feature which you should definitely enable if you are working on the Windows 11 because this will show you the seconds as well. So this is also the very important feature of this. And the another important feature of the Windows 11, which is recently released, is that which I can uh, like if you are getting any code, let me just show you. If you are getting any OTP over your emails or like something, most on the email case, you have to remember the OTP if you receive any OTP on your email ID. So here another important feature added in Windows 11 that you can copy that code with the help of this copy icon. So this is also the very important feature which is recently released. And another important feature is that let's say if you press like Alt plus tab, so you can see that the Windows will provide you the maximum limit of 3 tabs which you can move. But if you want to move, if you want to increase the number of tabs, so you also increase the number of tabs. If you are working on the like the more number of tabs, so just go into the system and then you have to go into the multitasking And here you can see show tabs. So here you can see that there are multiple options like three most recent tabs, five most recent, and 20 most. So up to 20 most recent tabs you can enable. So after selecting this 20, so you can work up to 20 tabs and you can move with the help of Alt plus tab key. So this is a very important feature if you are working like on the database or something like trackers on your daily activities. If you are working on multitasking activities, so this is also the very important features which you should definitely use and enable. And another important feature of Windows 11 is that live caption. Live caption means it's like this live caption. This is the important feature. If you are like if you are interacting live to something like on the meetings or something audio, but there are some like the noise in the background and you are unable to listen the proper voice of the someone which is interacting with you. So with the help of these features, you can automatically transcribe the audio of that voice like into a particular language. So this is a very important feature. With the help of this, you can get the transcript of that particular audio. So, so these are the important features which I recently saw, and so you should definitely use and enable these features on your Windows, and you have to and just with the help of this check for update icon, you can check if you are the latest updates are available. And as I mentioned earlier, so after updating to the latest, so you will get this feature that after enabling this feature, so you no need to manually update this Windows 11. So all the updates will automatically applied and your Windows will be on the latest updates version. So uh, that's all for today. Thanks for watching it and please like and subscribe my channel and for this type of videos because most of the time I uploaded such kind of video. Thank you so much.